Alright, back again, doing a little update. It's 2 days later, and I think the sweet corn has sprouted. What else? The lettuce, zucchini, and squash. And broccoli. And there's the moruga. Here's the Fresno pepper that flowered. Well, it's in flowering. And the peach tree cutting's doing good still. Looks like it's about to start shooting roots. Show you. There you go, starting to scar up, starting to open up to shoot roots. So far so good. I'll bring you guys another update shortly. See ya.